Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Band 6 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this device from your phone. To unpair this smart band from your phone, we need to open the HUAWEI Health app on our phone. In the app we need to tap on Devices, select our HUAWEI Band 6 from the list, and on this page, on the HUAWEI Band 6 page, you should see this More Options icon right here in the top right corner. Tap on it, select Unpair Device, then tap Unpair to confirm. And the device will disappear from the list of devices right here, and that means that the smart band is unpaired from our phone. You can also check the Bluetooth settings just to make sure. So let's open the Bluetooth settings. And as you can see, we have a list of previously connected devices. Let's tap on See All. And there is now a HUAWEI Band 6. That means that the device was completely disconnected from our phone. And that's how you unpair this device from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.